Good morning, children. Previously, we have discussed about formulas related to perimeters and area, and some formulas are given perimeter and area related to triangle and parallelogram. Okay. Today, we are going to solve some problems related to by using the same formulas. Okay. What is our concept name? Perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. Okay. Now, let me explain one problem here. Actually, here, page number 250, example 9. Page number 250, example 9. See, children, look at your textbook. I'll read the question. Here, two diagrams I have given. We need to find area of triangle. First question is here given. This is P, Q, R, and the second diagram is given like this. Okay, L, M, L. Actually, some measurements have given here. This is 4 centimeters and this is 2 centimeters. Let me complete first this problem. Look here. By directly we can apply a formula. What is the area formula? Half base into height. Here base is 4 centimeters and corresponding height to the base QR is PS, that is 2 centimeters. Am I right? That implies now given base of a triangle PQR QR is equal to 4 centimeters and height of triangle PQR is PS is equal to 2 centimeters. Now, area of a triangle PQR is equal to half base into height square units. That implies half base means QR, height means PS. That implies half 4 into height. That implies 4 square centimeters. This is the area of this triangle directly given. Okay, Nana? But here the base LM is given as 3 centimeters. Which what can you consider as the height of this triangle? Height is always nothing but the perpendicular distance to the base. Okay, here it is the base now. This should not be height and it should not be height. From top vertex to base, you need to draw one perpendicular like this. So this is the height, and now it is given as LO 2 centimeters. Okay. Now given base of triangle LMN is equal to 3 centimeters and the height of triangle LMN is equal to 2 centimeters. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to half base into height square units, that implies half. Base means 3, height means 2, that implies 3 centimeters square. 3 centimeters square. Okay, clear children? Write it all of you. I'll give you 1 minute time. In the meanwhile, everybody have to write this. Okay children, next. Example 11. Example 11. Very important, children. See your textbook, everybody. I draw the diagram here. The triangle PQR, I'll read the question. Triangle PQR, PR is equal to 8 centimeters and QR is equal to 4 centimeters and PL is equal to 5 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle PQR and the length of the QM. Okay. This is the triangle given here. Same obtuse angle triangle only. Look here, everybody. This is the triangle P, Q, R. Okay, and this is one perpendicular QM. And this is L, given as 5 centimeters and PR length is 8 centimeters. First we need to find, here, look at here, given me PR is equal to 8 centimeters and PL is equal to 5 centimeters and QR is also given, I think. QR is equal to, yes, 4 centimeters is given. 4 centimeters. Okay, first question. In triangle PQR, base QR is equal to 4 centimeters, height PL is equal to 5 centimeters. Clear children? Why? Because this is the perpendicular distance now. This is the perpendicular distance. So this is the height of this triangle. Imagine that this is it's not a part of triangle, but it is a perpendicular distance for the from the base to top vertex. So this can be considered as a height. That implies now area of triangle. Area of triangle of base into height, that implies half. Base means 4, height means 5, 10 centimeters square. This is that question number 1. Area of triangle PQR. Now, second question, we need to find the length of the QM. The length of the QM. We need to find length of the QM. Okay. Now I will solve here. Let QM be x centimeters. Okay. And in triangle PQR, base PR is equal to 8 centimeters given. Height respect to respective to base PR B QM. Am I right? Now area of triangle. PQR is equal to half base into height square unit. That implies half base means 8 into height means x. That implies 4x centimeters square. But x is equal to 10. Am I right? This is the 10 centimeters already. Previously we have got that the area of triangle is 10 square centimeters now. Therefore, but as per base and height QM, we got 4 into x. That implies x is equal to 10 by 4. That implies x is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Therefore, length of the QM is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Clear, children? Okay. See, first directly we have found that area of triangle by using formula. But second problem, when we need to find the length of the QM, let us consider PR as a base and the QM is the height. Okay, but because this is the perpendicular distance. Now we don't know height. That's why let it be x. So by using base and height we got 4x. But this 4x is the area for same triangle only PQR only na. Already previously we have found that PQR area is 10. That is why we have equated those two values. 4 into x is equal to 10. Then x is equal to this. Therefore length QM is equal to 2.5 centimeters. Clear, children? Write it all of you. Right, children? Now children, we are going to start exercise 11.2. For each Roman, I will solve 2 problems. The remaining have to do it by your own. Okay. Now, page number 216, exercise. 11.2. Okay, children. Now, first one, question number 1. Here, nearly 4 diagrams I have given, 5 diagrams. Sorry. In that, find the area of each of the following parallelograms. Here, everything is given as a parallelogram. I solve question number A. What is the parallelogram here given? Okay, and this is given as 4 centimeters, and this is given as 7 centimeters. Here name is also does not mention here, so directly we can identify which is base and which is height. Any side we can consider as a base, but by the help of height you must consider. Here height perpendicular distance is given 4 centimeters. That is why we must consider base as 7 centimeters. Therefore, given base of a parallelogram is 7 centimeters, and the height of a parallelogram h is equal to 4 centimeters. Now, area of parallelogram formula. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height, ph. That implies 7 into 4. That implies 28 centimeters square. This is first question. And later on, E. Another question, E is given here. See, parallelogram is given like this. This is given like this, and this is given as 2 centimeters, and it is given as 4 centimeters. Okay, children, here what we can consider as a base, this 2 centimeters as a base, and respect to height of to the base is respect to height to the base is 4 centimeters. Therefore, given base of a parallelogram is 2 centimeters, height of a parallelogram is 4 centimeters. Therefore, area of a parallelogram formula base into height, that implies 2 into 4, that implies 8 centimeters square. Okay, children? The remaining diagrams you have to complete like this, these two. Okay. Now second question. Missing term. In each Roman, I'll solve one question. The remaining you have to complete. This is the second question. Missing term. Okay, not English. Children, don't think that as it is English. This is a missing term in mathematics only. See, three values in the tree. What are given? First question I am solving. Base is equal to 20 centimeters and area of parallelogram. This is the symbol for parallelogram. A is equal to 246 centimeters square, and the missing term is the height. Height is missing here. What is missing here? Height is missing. Okay. Now area of parallelogram formula. Base into height. That implies area is given how much? 246. Base is given how much? 20, and height it is not given. That implies 20 into h is equal to 246. Then h is equal to 246 by 20. 22s are 40. Again 22s are 40. Therefore, h is equal to 22.3 centimeters. Got it, children? Okay. Shall I go for another one? The same question. Question number B. I'll write short forms here. What are given? Height is given. How much? 15 centimeters. And area is also given. Area of a parallelogram is given. Capital A is equal to how much is given? 154.5. Okay. Now, what is? Base is missing here. Okay. Base is missing. Same, we can apply same rule. Now area of parallelogram, A is equal to base into height. I am writing directly. A means here area 154.5. Base means we don't know base. Height means 15. That implies base into 15 is equal to 154.5. Then the base is equal to 154.5 by 15. That implies 15 tenders 150. Therefore, base is equal to 10.3 centimeters. Clear, children? This is the way of finding by using transposition only. Write it all up. Write this.